Hi everyone, it's Niamh here and welcome to my art journaling channel. Today I'm checking in with you from the chaos that is my studio after 70 days of doing the 100-day project. I really need to clean up, but I'm putting it off. So hopefully I might be able to show you a craft tour of before and after when I do actually clean up. But I'm checking in to share some really exciting news with you. So on the 27th of June, which is 2 weeks time, I'm going to be doing my first live class for Bev's Crosscraft, which is all about painting your own art journal cover. So this class will be done through a private Facebook group. So you can either watch the class live. If that doesn't work for you in your time zone, it is automatically recorded and it is available for you to go back and check at any stage indefinitely. It will be up there. You will have access to that group for as long as you need. You can ask questions in that group, share your artwork in that group, and I've already got some bonus bits and pieces to throw into that group as well. A few extra videos and so on to help support what we're doing in the class. So it's going to be really, really exciting. I'm really excited about it, a little bit nervous, but really excited about it as well. So the class that we're going to be doing is painting an art journal cover. Now, I love painting art journal covers or collaging on art journal covers because they make me want to pick them up. When I see something pretty on my desk, it's like, oh yeah, I'll use that, and that's the one I go for. So this is a sample of what we're going to be making on the day. This is a dialogue cover, which you can buy. It was a blank dialogue cover that I painted, that we're going to be using. Now you don't need to use this. You can paint directly onto an art journal cover that you've got. If you've got one of the dialogues, you can paint directly onto cover. So that's another example I've done. If your journal, like mine, is a little bit bulky, you can do the same techniques onto some collage papers or some sticker paper and use that to then cover your collage page. So you're learning all the techniques about how to do that and how to apply it. The class is going to be on the 27th of June, which is a Saturday, from 2 p.m. It's going to be about 2.5, 3 hour class. That's a live version of the class. Obviously, if you're not able to attend that, it is recorded and you can go back at any stage and watch that, and you can watch it as many times as you want. You've got access to it permanently. For those people who are overseas who would like to do that, it's Eastern Australian time. So if you're using the world clock, put in Hobart or Sydney, that will tell you what time difference it is in yours. So I think if you're in LA, it's 9 o'clock on the 26th of June because Australia's in the future. Hello from the future. So just be aware that it may be on a different day, but for Australians it's on the 27th of June at 2 p.m. is the live class. The class is being run through Bev's Crosscraft, which is a fantastic Australian store, Tasmanian store. She has a huge range of stock. She has everything. She keeps getting more stuff in. I'm addicted. Huge range of stuff, huge range of all the newest paper artsy, paints, stamps, stencils. So she's got everything there. When you go to book into the class, I've actually got the supply list up on the class link, so you can go through and have a look. Obviously, you use any stuff you've got in your own stash. I'm not expecting anyone to go out and buy stuff to do this class. Please use what you have. But if you want some of the stuff, you can, if you're an Australian and New Zealander, you can get it through Bev's website. She will have it in stock. If you're overseas and you want something, let me know, and I can sort of point you in the right direction, but I'm sure you can find my stuff most easily because it's usually coming from America in the first place, or the UK in the first place. So, but if there's something there you think, I'm not sure if I've got an alternative, I'm not sure if this will work, send me a message through Facebook or through YouTube, and I will get back to you to let you know. So that's the first class, and I've already got a second class planned. So hopefully I will be doing these probably once a month, hopefully every 2 weeks, but probably once a month. Just give myself that little bit of grace. So the painting your art journal cover is the first class. The second class that we're going to be doing, which I do already have organised, is creating these little muse dolls. So those people who follow me on Instagram will see I love making these. I've been making them for quite a while now. I love having little 3D sculptures in my studio. They're so much fun to make. They're so easy to use. They are addictive to make. I taught the class to my mum when I was practicing it, because this is one of the first classes I actually taught, and she made 12 in a row and has them sitting on her windowsill. They've all got snarky little comments on it and little attitudes, so they're quite cute. So they're great for giving away for gifts, for decorating other artists' studios and so on. So this is going to be our second class, which will be called Whimsical Art Muse Dolls. And the details for that will be going up in about 2 weeks' time as well. The price will be the same. I'm not sure if I mentioned the price before. It's $25 Australian. So that works out to about £12 sorry, UK, about 15-ish dollars US. Through Bev's site, you can use PayPal, a credit card, so you can go through in that way. Really important when you do book that you put your Facebook name if it, in the notes section, so I can add you to the group and I know who I'm actually adding to make sure it's the right person I'm adding in. The other little quirk at the moment that we're finding is if you are from overseas, just book the class and book it as a pickup. So you're picking up for the delivery, and that means you can proceed through the site. If you say you're from overseas, it won't let you go through the shipping stuff, because at the moment, because of everything that's happening, Bev doesn't ship internationally. So if you're just booking the class, book it as pickup, and that will let you run through automatically. At the moment, I'm waiting each night for the emails to come through from Bev and Andrew to say who's in the class, to add you into the group. So it'll be 24 or 48 hours before I add you into the group. But I am getting those regularly, so I'm updating those as fast as possible. So I'm really excited about this. I just wanted to share it with you guys, so you knew what was going on. And the other thing I wanted to say was thank you so much for all your support. We are nearly at 10,000 subscribers, which is ridiculous. I was really happy 2 years ago when I finally hit 500 people who are watching me on YouTube. So to be at 10,000 or nearly at 10,000 is just mind-blowing, and it's all thanks to you guys. I really support all your beautiful comments, all your fantastic notes that you give me, the people who tag me in YouTube, or sorry, in Instagram when they've done some artwork after they've watched a video. It just fills my heart and makes me so happy. So thank you so much for supporting little old me in Tassie and making me really happy. And I hope that you're all very safe and very well, and the art has been keeping you sane over the last few months, because I know for me personally that's been keeping me sane as well. Okay, so that's my classes. If you've got any questions, please pop them in the comments below. Contact me through my Facebook page, which you'll find in the description box below as well, or through Instagram. The classes through Bev's Crosscrafts, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Yeah, that's all the information. Until next time, bye for now.